Struggling with the child behavior? What makes children behave in a challenging way? When children behave in a challenging way, then it must be a reason, right? All behavior have a reason, but we need to ask why. Why they behave in a challenging way sometimes. What is their intention when they don't listen, cry and scream? To get attention, right? It doesn't matter what type of attention. Even negative attention is better than no attention. If the ways that you have tried are not working, then it's time to try something different. When children behave challenging, it is because they are trying to connect, to communicate with us parents, try to say that they need something, which often it is time with you and positive attention. Children never try to be difficult when they behave in a way that we don't agree. It is because they need us parents to connect and communicate. When they behave like this, they are communicating a need. Feelings are the heart of difficult behavior. So get in touch with your child, see how he feels, and help him to regulate his feelings, show empathy and compassion. Rather than time out, use time in. Bring him closer, hold his hands, having him sitting on your lap for a while, changing the energy, bring him to a calmer and centered place for connection. What a child needs from us parents when he struggles. A child needs us parents to be calm, to teach him how to manage his feelings. He needs us to be patient because he's the child. He needs us to watch our tone because tone it is everything. He needs us to connect with him daily, 15, 20 minutes, one-to-one time if you have more children. He needs us to be present to him when you have gone all day and put away your phone, put away, turn off television, turn off radio. As I'm always saying, when you try something new with children, you need to repeat and be patient because repetition is the key. So, from where do we start? By changing our focus. Ignore most of all challenging behavior and start seeing what he does good and praise him. When you see what he does right, he will do more right. Children act the same like us adults. If someone compliments us for our good work or for the way we dress, then we feel good and we repeat it, right? On the other side, if we notice only the bad behavior and not trying to interact, we should expect that the child will show us more the same behavior. The same with us adults. If someone says something that is not necessarily nice, that upset us, then we don't like, we don't respond them with smiles and we don't give them praises, right? Another thing is that we parents should do is to avoid frightening or punish because all these two things are never working for long term. If we don't try to understand and fix the problem, then we should expect again and again to see the same behavior. So, what should we do instead? To talk about feelings, to listen the child, show empathy, and of course, try to fix the problem.